My name is Mónica Pellegrin Preisens. My background is electronic engineer and computer engineer. I have a master's degree from the University of Madrid on European institutions and financing of European R&D projects. I have more than 23 years of experience as a project manager in the telecommunications sector and innovation projects in the railway sector. My current position is head of R&D analysis and development at ADIF, the Spanish railway infrastructure manager. I am also alternate representative of ADIF on the System and Innovation Program Board of Eurorail joint undertaking.
My name is Pedro Martín Pérez Martínez. I'm a civil engineer. I have been working for the last 6 years in 2 different departments in ADIF, the Spanish Railway Infrastructure Manager. The first 3 years I worked in the production deputy direction, belonging to the maintenance direction, where we manage data of the different incident and corrective maintenance activities in the railway network, which allowed me to know firsthand the main needs in the maintenance of the railway infrastructure. The last 3 years I have been working in R&D projects area, in projects related with predictive maintenance and intelligent asset management, where we transform those needs I mentioned before into challenges, and some of these challenges become projects.
Talking about innovation project, for me, the most useful skills are 3. To be focused on solving problems, to have an efficient and quick reaction to unforeseen events, and to be ready to face the tasks that nobody made before.
I will say to know how to listen and learn from colleagues with more experience. For instance, I love listening stories from track supervisor when we carry out on-site tests. The most experienced colleagues have often faced several work situations and overcome challenges similar to those we have under discussion. Through interaction with them, I have been able to learn from their specialized knowledge and practical skills. I believe that there is a need for an effective transfer of knowledge between generations in the workplace, which allow those with less experience to develop specific skills more quickly and more efficiently.
Taking account the European environment, one important skill needed in project management is the language, for a better communication between European entities. I personally speak Spanish as mother tongue, also English and German, but I would like to learn French. Another important skill that I would like to improve is my level of legal knowledge about intellectual property rights and international railway standards.
One of the skills I would like to achieve is to disconnect from the work in my free time. I know it's necessary to maintain a healthy work-life balance that is important for promoting well-being, for improving productivity, even creativity, but sometimes we get into dynamics that don't allow us to get that broader perspective on life. It's definitely something I want and need to learn.
As an engineer, you have to improve your technical knowledge continuously. For example, by yourself, you can do it learning from the result of previous R&D project or sharing your experience in thematic congress, giving the opportunity to discussion with other engineers.
One of the skills I'm trying to develop is public communication. I tend to be an introverted person, and I'm making efforts to learn how to convey messages more effectively, even more spinally. It's possible that one of the reasons I'm making this video is to break down some of these barriers.
In my work, you need to use everyday organizational skills, for example, prioritizing tasks or working on multitask mode. Also communication skills, for example, public speaking.
As a project manager, a quality that needs to be into practice every day is the prioritization of activities. It's essential to know how to identify the critical tasks that can delay a project or endanger its scope and undertake its execution as soon as possible. In addition, it is crucial to quantify deadlines and allocate resources, manage people, and distribute workload and optimize time.
As personal skills, I would say to have initiative, be proactive, and to be open to work autonomously at teamwork at the same time. From a technical perspective, I think that the deep knowledge of artificial intelligence is a skill in high demand nowadays.
From my perspective, I will say that one of the qualities that is most valued, especially in a multidisciplinary project like the ones we are carrying out in the frame of Eurorail's joint undertaking, is proactivity. On a technical level, assuming we live in the digital age, one of the most valued qualities is the experience in big data and machine learning. which are fundamental resources to analyze the available data and help the decision making for the development of companies in the railway sector.